Today we will be going over the what if feature in SparkFlows. What if feature lets you play around with your machine learning model to check for fairness and bias by passing in different values of the features to see how the score changes. In SparkFlows, once you train the model, they show up in the models page. What if analysis can be applied to any of these models. To begin with, user can access what if either from the main menu on top or from the models page here. Let's access it from the main menu. Now the user needs to select a dataset on which they want to run the what if simulation. Once the dataset is chosen, the column in the data along with the value ranges show up in the left half of the screen. For categorical or string columns, there is a drop down to select the possible values. For numeric columns, there is a slider to choose the values. User can choose the model against which they want to run the what if simulation from the drop down on the top right. Here we see only one model and hence it's chosen by default. The model here is a distributed random forest regression model that predicts the number of bikes that will be rented out. Now users can choose the value via drop down of different features and then click on score on the bottom. This will send the value selected by the sliders to the SparkFlows engine to score using the model and get back the response. The score along with the feature importance or the Shapley values for this particular row of data shows up in the UI. User can change the values of these sliders and then click on rescoring and then see which feature is adding more predictive power to the model. So here we can maybe reduce the number of registered column value and then click on score, and then we'll see a drastic shift in the influential features for this when scoring for this particular row. So here the most negatively affecting feature here is the registered column in the score of this particular model, and the score here is basically telling you the number of bikes that will be rented out when a row in the data set has these particular values. Thank you.